Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for the secret network. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now here on the monthly chart, we don't have much price action to work with, so let's go ahead and plot our monthly swing low here. And let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, here on the weekly, we notice a swing high right here. From this candle body close here, as price comes up, hits, reverses drastically, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly, and we also notice long wicks getting rejected from the same key level. Now, we also notice a key level here, where price comes down, hits, and reverses drastically. We also notice long wicks reacting around the same key level. Now, looking at more recent price action, we can go ahead and plot our swing high here. As price comes up, hits, and reverses, with multiple reactions to the same key level. Now, we also notice a key level here, where we see price reacting as support and resistance. Now, always keeping in mind that our key levels are not set prices, and they're more zones, as we want to see a reaction from price in this area of price. So, looking at our chart, these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly time frame. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.